promise me something.
What?
After school, no detours. We go straight home and finish our project together. Easy. I promise. No football. No 1 minute. No excuses.
Okay. Straight home.
I'm counting on you, okay?
You can trust me.
Project presentation is tomorrow. Don't be late. Let's go fast.
Yeah, okay. Quick match, just 10 minutes. Come on, we need you. 10 minutes only.
No, you promised.
It's literally 10 minutes. 10 becomes 30. Always. I'll be fast, I swear. That's not what a promise is. Pass. Nice. Again! One more goal! Okay, last one. I'll call after. She'll understand. One more!
Fine, quick.
So this is straight home? Huh?
How long?
I was just finishing.
I'm coming now.
5 minutes. Don't lie to me. I waited for you. I told my mom we'd finish together. I believed you. I'm sorry. Let's go now.
You didn't break one promise. You broke my trust.
Please, wait.
Tomorrow, when the teacher asks, what do I say?
My partner chose football? I'll do it tonight. I'll stay up.
You always say that after.
I didn't think it would hurt you. That's the problem. You didn't think. I'm not mad about football. I'm mad that your words didn't mean anything. I can't undo it, but I can fix it. I'm going. I came to fix it.
Why now?
Why now?
I broke my promise. I'm sorry. You deserved better.
How do I know?
You don't yet.
But you will. But you will. Sit. We work. No phone. No phone. Let's start.
Okay.
Hold it there. Like this. I learned something today.
What? A promise isn't words. It's trust.
Then show it. Tomorrow and every day.